In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up disk space on Windows 11 and Windows 10 in just a few minutes. We all know how quickly space can fill up on your computer, especially with all those downloads, files, and updates cluttering things up. So, let's dive right in and get that space back. First, you'll want to open your File Explorer. You can do this easily by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar. Once you have File Explorer open, look to the left of the window and locate this PC. Give it a click. This will show you your available drives, including the C drive, which is likely where most of your files reside. Next, click on the C drive to open it. Now, navigate through the folders until you find one named Windows. Click on the Windows folder. This is where a lot of system files are stored. Inside the Windows folder, look for a folder named Software Distribution. Click on it to open it. You'll see several files and folders here, but the one we're interested in is the Download folder. Open the Download folder, and what you want to do now is select all the items inside and delete them. This is generally safe because these files are temporary and used for Windows updates. Once you've cleared that out, you can close File Explorer. Next, press the Windows key on your keyboard along with the R key. This command opens the Run dialog box, which is a quick way to access different features on your computer. In the Run dialog box, type in WS Reset and hit OK. What this does is reset the Windows Store cache. A blank command prompt window will pop up, and after a few moments, it will close on its own, signaling that the cache has been cleared. Now, let's move on to another part of cleaning up your disk space. Again, we'll open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows key plus R. This time, type Clean MGR into the box and click OK. This command opens up the Disk Cleanup tool, which is a powerful feature built into Windows that helps you clean up unnecessary files. When it opens, a window will appear listing different types of files that you can safely delete. Make sure to check all the options available and then click OK. The tool will ask for confirmation to delete the files. Confirm the operation. Finally, as another tip to freeing up space, consider uninstalling apps that you no longer need. To do this, go to the Start menu, head over to Settings, then Apps, and finally uninstall any applications that are taking up inconsequential space. Remember, regular maintenance like this not only frees up space, but also helps your computer run smoother. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these steps helpful. Until next time, happy computing!